Kashmiri cauldron still simmers, and grim scenes reminiscent of larger-scale warfare are despoiling the face of the fair land. St. Joseph's Convent suffers the same wanton destruction as other buildings at Baramulla. The marauding tribesmen recognize no rules of warfare but their own. Indian government forces are having a hard time throwing these tough intruders out of Kashmir, and Pandit Nehru flies to Srinagar to speed on the task. Here, in his greeting by Sheikh Abdullah, is the symbol of Hindu-Muslim brotherhood, sorely tried in communal strife, but still surviving in the wiser and enlightened men of India. Kashmir state troopers provide a handsome background against which the Maharaja of Kashmir is welcomed to his capital by Nehru and Sheikh Abdullah. Government troops crowd the center of Srinagar to hear the voice of their own leader, Pandit Nehru, that man of intense sincerity and certainly one of the greatest men in all Indian history. Nehru, who has suffered indignities and civil penalties in his selfless service to his countrymen, now emerges as the moderate yet firm leader of a new nation. And while the Srinagar crowds fete their modest idol, his 58th birthday is honoured at India House, London by Lord Mountbatten.
You will agree then now you must take my word for it. He will have been proved to have been one of the greatest men in any country at any time in history.